What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Chanel Banks at it again with another banger. And today's video, if you don't know by the title and by the visuals, we doing a vlog. We're doing a vlog today. I'm on the ice skating rink. This is my first time ice skating. I'm in Maryland right now. It's fun, it's fun, it's fun. And I'm gonna just give you guys more videos and yeah.
What we do here is go back.
I got the walker because I do not know how to do this. My arms hurt so bad, y'all. But this is fun. You guys should try it. Definitely try it. Look how red my arms are.
What?
I'm about to give it up and go to the arcade. I'll see you guys there. Now we're at the arcade, me and Terrence. It's included in the hotel and you just have to like pay a little bit for the cards so that you could play. And right now, he's trying to win that big old blow pop, okay? Oh, you got something! Oh my God! Anyway, I'm gonna try to win something myself. Yeah, it's always something wrong with it. I think those machines are rigged, I'm telling you guys. Have you ever won anything in those machines? Let me know in the comments down below. But anyway, I'm just about to play some games, chill, and after that, probably go to the beach. Alright, now I'm about to spank this little boy in some b-ball. Just watch. Alright, ready? Oh, let's go. 3, 2. Wait, I don't see mine. Play on mine. Play on mine. Guys, the machine just took my credits. Where? Look. I'm gonna show you guys. Do you see this? Look, the timer's running out. There's no balls. This is some knockoff Chuck E. Cheese, yo. I swear. I don't think that many, bruh. They gotta put, you know what? Oh, my son a bucket? Bucket? My son a bucket? Yeah. Oh. Well, that was a great waste of credits. Let me go do something else. On the way about to go go-karting. It's so nice out here, y'all. Good weather, good vibes. I got no lashes on, don't mind me. But yeah, this is about to be fun. Alright, y'all, so we're at Cyclone Ride, and me and Terrence are gonna drive. Terrence, you ready? He's gonna drive and I'm gonna drive.
Please stay seated until told to get up.
Hold the gas. Y'all, this is fast as This is fast as frick! This is so fun. We on to the next one. About to drive for, and then Terrence is gonna be a passenger, right? Yeah. It's gonna be fun. I'm the driver, y'all. Right, Terrence? Yeah. You think how do you think my driving skills are? Elite. Elite. You heard that? This is light work, bro. How do you feel? Scared. He's scared, y'all. This is light work.
Yeah, that's
Light work. Light work. Turn. He's scared. I'm a good driver. I'm the best. Nah, cause tell me why the people at the go-kart are trying to flirt with me. So me and Terrence made our like little trap thing. It's gonna lead all the way around. And stops right there. It stops right there at the line. So let's go. We're gonna see who will win.
we gotta dig in the sand.
Okay, me and Terrence are done. About to rinse our feet, go take a shower and stuff like that. This was fun, right?
Yeah.
It's nice and windy. It's not too sunny. I don't even like when it's sunny because, you know, sweating and tans and stuff. I don't need all that. But this was fun. On my way back to the resort. And yeah, about to eat and chill. Look at this little boy. About to eat, chill, eat some ice cream, and yeah, just vibe. I'm gonna show you guys around too, so. She cute. I am exhausted. I just did so much ice skating. But yeah, I hope you guys liked the video. Thank you for watching. Thank you for tuning in. Like, comment, subscribe down below if you didn't. Make sure you go check out my new videos. Turn on post notifications so you know when new bangers and new videos are rolling in. Thank you for joining. Bye. I did it wrong. Bye.